Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Chicco KeyFit car seat base using the Latch install method. You can see how the base comes packaged in a really nice retail box. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Before we get it installed, let's go ahead and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have some registry information and a stop. Do not return this product to the store. So we have all of their customer service information if you ever have any questions or need to do any sort of return. Then we have your car seat user guide and manual right here, walking you through every setup and installation process with this base and very important safety procedures. So be sure to read this manual before installing this base. Even after watching this video, please consult with the manual first, study this over, and then install your base. So refer to your user guide before getting this base installed. Next, you can see we have the base itself right here. So we have two built-in levels. Everything's clearly marked for us. Lots of stickers as well, showing us what we can do and what needs to be done. You can see on the front too, we actually have a storage compartment right here. So if we can open that up, we can actually store this user manual in there. So I highly recommend doing that after you set this up, so you can always reference this when you need to. So it's great to have some built-in storage right there. Then we have two orange levers on the side, so we can release these, and that actually activates the base on the bottom right here. So now we can adjust the level depending on the car seat that we have that this base is going to be mounted to. So we can just press that back in to lower it back down to get the custom setting for our needs, to make sure that the bubble is in between the two black arrows for the level right there. You can see how they have the belt strap stored right here too. So if we have any extra strap, make sure to store it right there. Our carrier is just going to clip right in here. And again, they show you lap belt, lap shoulder belt, and latch installation methods and how to do that with proper diagrams. We can flip it over to look at the back side of the base too, so you can see how this comes out when we push those two orange buttons. And then maybe on the side, we can see where the latches are stored. So you can just take them out very easily like that. And they have a button just like a normal seatbelt. So we have great latch built-in storage. Nice handle right there on both sides. We can see the other latch as well too. So we can take that one out. It just clips right into your car. It'll be clearly marked for you if your car has the latch system. Now let's go ahead. Let's go over the user manual before we get this installed. So to install the base, please refer to the user manual. You can see we have it opened up right here, walking us through some of the steps. Feel free to pause the video to view the installation guide. Then we can flip it over to the next page. This is for installing using the latch. So follow the instructions very carefully. Reach out to them if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. You can even call your local fire station, police department, community center. Somebody in your local government should offer a service to check your car seat base, your travelers, that sort of thing in your vehicle to make sure you're all good to go. So be sure to reach out to anybody in your community for any help with this product. We can go to the next page. You can see right here. So we have more steps showing us how the latch system works, what icons to look for in your vehicle to see if you have those latches built into the bottom of your seats. That's the icon that you will be able to see. Then they show you to pull it tight. So apply a lot of downward force while you're pulling that tight. And there we go. Then you can see the next step right here, clearly marked, labeled for you. Like I said, pause the video if you need to. Check your work as well too. And that's it for the latch installation. So let's go ahead and let's get it installed. So with the base in the car now, we're ready to release the latches. Go ahead, lift to release to put any extra slack back through there so we can pull them out of their built-in storage compartments like you see right here. Now on your car seat, identify the matching logo that looks like a kid sitting on a seat, and that's where we're going to actually plug the latches into. So go ahead, make sure they're not wound funny or anything, that everything's flush. And then under the seat, you'll see the metal bar that we need to connect these to. Just push them in place until you hear them click in. So now we need to do it on the other side. Just a metal bar again, guys. They click right in. Now we need to start pulling that tight. Make sure at this step too that your seat is level. You can adjust that right here before you pull it too tight to make sure that the air bubble is in between both arrows on your car. When you're pulling this tight, make sure to apply a lot of downward pressure and continue to pull it tight. I'm actually going to go ahead, I'm going to climb in. We're going to use my knee, and we're going to keep pulling that really, really tight and applying a lot of downward pressure. Now with the extra slack right here, wind it up and use the built-in strap storage compartment. Tuck that away. Now let's check it and see. So you shouldn't have more than 1 inch of movement between the back and side to side. So you can see it's really secure and in place. It's not going to wiggle or move around. And now we're ready to attach our carrier. The carrier only goes one way and it just clicks right in place. Now you can check to make sure that everything is safe and secure with the base. Make sure your child is facing towards the seat's headrest and not towards the driver's seat. And then when you want to uninstall it, go ahead, you can just lift up the lever and it comes right out. Be sure to check your base before each use. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Don't forget, please consult and read and study your user manual before you begin to attempt any installation. And don't forget to store it right here in the car seat base so you always have it for easy access in the future if you ever have any questions. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.